All right, shade pockets. Well, where do they go in this house? So every window has a shade pocket that holds shades. Well, in this case, we have hidden the shade pocket behind the casing and behind the wall. Let me show you how this works. So this piece of casing, the top piece of casing on every window is removable. And this is the finished painted look. So we take this guy off. Look how easy that was. If we ever need to get in here, we can service it. So what's happening is we have our shade pocket inserted here, and I'm going to tell you how we did that. And the shade drops down into this chamber, which is inserted into our trim, our window jamb. And we have a blackout shade going all the way to the bottom. Okay, so let's get into the nuts and bolts of this thing. So when we're framing the house, we actually installed the header above each window 4 to 5 inches above the window. Normally the headers are right at the window, so we raised that up and we installed some blocking here so that when we put our windows in, we can nail our flange to the plywood, and so the window is secured. So that's how we secured the window. And then what we did is we built our jambs out to receive this shade, I guess, shade channel, something like that, so that the shade can drop down. So here's the wiring for the actual shade. This wiring talks to the motor. So the house has an automated home automation system. So, with a click of a button, you can make shades go up and down and set them according to, daytime, nighttime, when you travel, all that good stuff. So anyway, really, really quick snapshot on the shade and the finished look. And look at this, we'll put this guy back, and you would never know that there is a shade inside here. That's so cool. So Benjamin Johnston Design came up with this design, and we met our shade people, our framer, our trim folks, the architects, and really worked through this system to make it happen. So thank you, Ben.